Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pointers, part of programming in C course. A pointer is a variable in C that stores the memory address of another variable. Pointers allow you to manipulate the data stored in memory directly, rather than working with the values of variable indirectly through their memory addresses. To declare a pointer in C, the asterisk symbol is used in the declaration. The type of the pointer must be specified, which determines what type of data the pointer can point to. For example, a pointer to an integer must be declared as an int pointer. Pointers can be used to access the value of a variable stored in memory, to pass variables by reference, and to dynamically allocate memory at runtime. In this example, a pointer ptr is declared and assigned the memory address of the variable num using the address of operator ampersand. The value stored in PTR is then accessed using the dereference operator asterisk. The output of this program demonstrates how a pointer can be used to access the value of a variable stored in memory. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.